the river, guys.
We're in the river, guys.
This bridge was made in 2002. Still carries up there. We're in the woods. It feels so peaceful. Wait. Okay, Naomi, cousin. Okay. Oh, look at all those bluebells. Those are sick. It's like a Pokemon can catch. But I wonder what Pokemon it'll be. If it's over here. Spiderweb. I think I got a spiderweb in my face, guys. Tell me if I have a spiderweb in my face. Or if I have a spider, I'll scream. Yo! Or maybe we go up there. Actually, no, not up there because that doesn't lead us there. To the other river. Okay, she went down. I won't fall, don't worry. Well, we get there, don't worry. No, it didn't. It didn't. I know where they are, 100%. Guys, I'll wrap it up here. Okay, bye. Yes, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.